Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to enable picture-in-picture on iPhone, then this video is for you. Currently, I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max and it has the latest version of iOS version is 18.3.1, but you can follow the same instruction for other iOS versions. Now, first you have to open your settings, then from here you just need to go to the general here. Go to the general, and from here you have to simply find out the picture in picture and make sure the toggle button is enabled here. If you found this that start PIP automatically, that means start picture in picture automatically is disabled, then simply tap once on this toggle button and it will turn on, or you have enabled this PIP, means the picture in picture will start automatically on your device. That's how you can enable picture in picture on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.